Hello, thank you for coming back today. I'm going to show you how to do a glitter makeup jar. You're going to need a jar. Got this from the Dollar Tree. I'll remove that before I send it off. We're going to use white glitter. And with this white glitter, it's kind of thin. So I'm going to do several coats of this. However, I'm only going to do one coat on here today because I got to let it dry a little while before I do the second coat. You're going to use polyacrylic. I get this from Walmart. It was like $7, $8, something like that. Might have been $6 something for this one. They have a bigger one that's like $12, so I got the small one. And something to scoop this out, and I just use a spoon that I reuse over and over and over again. So I'm just going to open this. And I just scoop some out like that. And you just swirl it all around like this until the whole glass is covered. And then this is stuff is reusable, so we're just going to drain it back into the container that it came out of, like so. So right now the whole glass is covered. So we're going to continue on and drain this out until the drips really slow down. It's going to take a couple seconds. Like you see, it's slowing down some. But the glass is still kind of milky looking. So we're going to wait till it get a little... Mine still be milky looking, but some people wait until theirs is clear. However, I'm going to leave mine still kind of milky looking. As soon as the drips slow down a little bit. You're going to need a piece of paper that we're going to use to dump the glitter out of this container after we coat it. And the glitter is reusable also. It's not going to get chunky or anything as long as you take most of the polyacrylic out of the container. Your glitter shouldn't be clumpy. So you can reuse the glitter as well. And again, this white is thin, so you're going to be able to see through the jar with this white. I had to do several coats because the white is real thin. I got to find me a thicker, a better quality white glitter. So as you see, that it drips slow down. So I'm just going to pour the glitter inside the container. And we're just going to twirl the glitter around like so until it's all covered. And you see it's still you can still see the tag through there. But after I do this a couple times, you won't see it. This is the only color that I have that do this. The light colors usually tend to see through. And then I just keep doing that. But then I'm gonna let it dry for a couple, like 6-7 hours. Like that. And I'm gonna let it dry for 6-7 hours. And then I come back with the same stuff, but instead of using the spoon, I would dab a sponge, like one of these. A sponge. You can either use this or a paintbrush. I have both, so I might use a little paintbrush where I just dip. I'll pour some polyacrylic. I spoon some out and put it in a little epoxy cup that I use. It's a medicine cup, but I use it for epoxy. Pour some in here, and I just dip, and then I just tap the inside and get the whole cup wet again with the polyacrylic, and then pour more white inside and twirl it like I did before, and you'll be fine. And that's all to it. Some people use Mod Podge. I didn't like Mod Podge because it take extremely long. For me, I've tried it, and for me, maybe I used too much Mod Podge, and it took a long time for it to dry, and you seen streaks in mine. You seen the streaks of the glitter in mine. So now I use polyacrylic. Thank you. Don't forget to leave comments if you tried it and what you like better. Comment, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and more videos will be coming. Thank you.